Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Your girl is still on spring break. Yay! Still on spring break, and I'm so happy, so happy, so happy. I think I'm gonna sit this up here, y'all. It is raining here. It is raining. The time is like 9 o'clock. Aldi been open for like an hour. Hopefully they have everything out. I'm not going to my normal Aldi, but hopefully they have everything out so we could get these new candles. But before we get started, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, you know I can't leave y'all out. You know I can't leave y'all out. What's up to all the people that's watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following me on Instagram, as well as using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Like I said, today, y'all, the sun is not out. I hate when the sun is not out. I really dislike that. I love when the skies is open, the clouds is blue, and the sun is beaming through. I absolutely love days like that. But today it's raining. It's kind of cold. What's the temperature? The temperature is 50 degrees, which is not too bad. But yeah, it is what it is. So we're going to head on over here to Aldi because they most definitely have some candles that I'm interested in. If you don't like grown scents, you're not going to like these. I'm just saying. Hopefully they throw. I'm going to be highly disappointed because y'all know last week with those luxury number candles, they did not do good at all. That was probably one of the worst Joe Malone dupe collection that Aldi has had. The candles not really throwing. The jars wasn't filled. Some people's stores didn't get them. I think that was the worst release that they have had. But again, it's Aldi, so what do you expect? We only pay $5, even though I'm not saying $5 isn't a lot of money for a candle. I'm just saying, yes, they are at a discounted price, but we most definitely want quality for our little money that we're spending. But this week, these candles is a go for me. Sea salt and sandalwood, honey and orange blossom, violet and vanilla musk, and lavender and leather. Yes, I'm gonna grab all of them. They're gonna be $7. I'm grabbing all of them. And they also have some more candles coming out. Vetiver and leather, grapefruit and spearmint, ginger and amber. Let's see how to pronounce that. Ladamon. So ladamon and pink pepper. From my understanding, ladamon, and I could be saying that wrong, but hey, I'm not a teacher. I'm not an English teacher, as y'all do know. I pronounce stuff wrong, a lot of stuff wrong. I'm just saying. But from what my understanding is, ladamon is more of a sweet, fruity, woody, dry musk, leathery like scent. And from what our auntie Google is saying, is that they mainly use it with amber scents, amber perfumes. So yeah, we're gonna see what that one is, and we're gonna grab that one, even though these candles are $7. 10 ounces, 10.5 ounces. I don't know about this one. I might just grab 2 of those. I might grab the ladamon and the pink pepper, and then the vetiver and leather. Those might be the only 2 I get, and I feel like I could wait on the other ones because I don't really think that these candles are going to sell good. So these might stick around for the markdown. Who knows? And also they got the Reeve diffusers, and they also got those in the same scent, that ladamon and pink pepper, the vinegar and leather, the grapefruit and spearmint, and the ginger and amber. They got that in the diffusers, the reed diffusers. But like I told y'all last time, and I just told y'all a couple of times, to me, Aldi reed diffusers is trash to me, and that's just my opinion. They don't really throw. You have to have them in a super duper small room. I have one in my bathroom that's been in there for a long time, but I could barely smell it. So to me, they don't really do good, and those are $7. So I'm most definitely gonna pass on those. Also, they got a flip dish wax warmer for $7. If you do not have a wax warmer, now is the time to grab that if you want. But you most definitely could go to Hobby Lobby and grab a candle warmer, a wax warmer, all of those things, because every other week, from my understanding, every other week Hobby Lobby have those things on 50% marked down. And I believe this week they have a lot of their candles and candles accessories on 50% sale. So I think that's everything that I'm going to get. I'm not really... Oh, and I think they got wax melts this week. Yes, they got the wax melts this week. The mango mimosa, super good. I do have the candle. Amazing. Amazing. That elderflower, amazing. I have the candle. Amazing scent. All of these is good. If you want to grab any, they got mango and mimosa, sage leaf and birch, elderflower, or lemon sage. All of those is a go. And they only $1. They went up on the price. $1.89. They used to be $1.69 or $1. They went up a little bit. But the wax melts is amazing, and if you don't want to get those now, they will hang around, and you probably could catch them on the markdown. So that's everything this week. I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna show y'all so much. So let's head over to the store. Look at all of these. Wow. Store have a ton of candles, and it looked like last week candles is not really selling good at this store, but I did find the new candles for this week. I actually really like the jars, and I really love this collection. Oh my goodness, these are the type of scents that I really like. Now these candles, I kind of feel like they're overpriced. They really don't look like 10.5 fluid ounce candles, but I went on and got them because I love some of the scent blends. I forgot to show one of the candles right here because an older gentleman was actually talking to me, so that's the reason why I didn't show that third one, but you will see it. Yeah, but I actually like this collection, but I didn't grab all of these. $7 is a little overpriced for me. The wax melts this week is super nice. I have all of these scents in the candle form. I think they increased the price. I remember the price used to be $1.69, but now they're a little bit more expensive, but I do recommend those. These reed diffuser, pass, but that's just my opinion. I just really don't like Aldi diffusers. It's just my opinion. The wax warmers, I'm thinking about going back to get this because I love the fact that it has that little rubber bowl on it, but I just have so many wax warmers. I really don't need this, and I believe the price is $7. See, I really love that because, as y'all do know, I did buy one of those rubber cups from Walmart because I just hate the cleanup part when it comes to these wax melts. So for them to have this style, I'm seriously thinking about going back to get it. I wanted to show you how the candles that will be released next week. They do have 4 3-wick candles that's going to be released. I think the only one I'm gonna get is that prickly pear. I think that's the only one I want. The other ones is really kind of a pass for me. They also have the matching single wicks, so if you don't want to get the 3 wicks, you can always get the same exact scents in the single wick for $2.50. That is not a bad price. And also these designer jars. The Paradise Cliff is a must-have. Yes, they are $9. Okay, yeah, I'm out the store and I did just grab candles and some milk. Fairlife milk. If you love Fairlife milk, Aldi is the cheapest place to grab it. I grabbed 2. Like I told you I was gonna do, I was gonna grab the ladamum or whatever it's called, y'all, and pink pepper. I grabbed that one. These are single wick candles, and that's the reason why I was on the fence about these, because these are $7 for single wick. I don't think last year they were this much. This is actually nice. This is actually nice, and from my understanding, these candles do throw pretty decent, but $7 for a single wick, and I believe these are 10.5 ounces. So yeah, I did grab that one, and y'all probably can't see it. I did grab that one. And then I grabbed the Vanderveer and Leather, which is the black jar. No lid, just the dust cover, single wick candle, cream color wax. If I could get the... I really like this one. Oh my goodness, this one is good. Wow. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't think I was gonna like this. I do love scents like this. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is good. This is good. But again, $7. Highly recommend this one on code. Out of this whole collection, I think this has to be the pick. This Leather and Vanderveer is good. And then again, I got candy for me and my son. Y'all know I always grab this every time I go. Every Wednesday, I grab candy. Okay, now I did get these candles, these little cement candles. And this one is lavender and leather. Heavy, nice jars. And again, these were $7. $6.99. $6.99, $7. Let's see what it smells like. No lid, but let's smell it. I can't really go according to the lid because this actually smells like cardboard, but it kind of smells good. I got a feeling this isn't gonna throw good because I could barely smell it. I'm getting a little bit of the leather, but I could barely smell it. I smell more of this cardboard mixed in with the scent of the candle. I don't know, y'all. These might not throw good. I don't know. And these are 2-wick, double wick candles. If you could see that. Let's see if it has any scent notes on the bottom. Yes, it do. Lavender, tonka bean, and cedarwood. That's the scent notes at the bottom. Hopefully y'all can see that. Pour date. Do it have a pour date? I don't know if that's the pour date. 21. Now, I don't know if that's the pour date on the bottom. If y'all could see that. I'm not sure. No leather note in this, but it do say, did this have notes on the bottom? Oh, actually, these have notes on the bottom. I need some glasses or something. This is little. I know I don't. These don't have notes. Do I have the pour date? The pour date on this is 9/16/21. I'm sorry, I gotta go back, y'all. 9/16/21 is when they pour this. And the other one, 9/17/21 is when they poured the other one. No scent notes. Damn, those smell good. These might be the winners this week. I'm just saying. These might be the winners. But again, this one, I just told y'all the scent notes in this one, I could barely smell it. The next one is honey and orange blossom. Y'all knew I was gonna get this one. Y'all know I was gonna get this one. And that's what the inside looked like. Again, nice, heavy jar. These are almost, these get the feeling of like a plant jar, a planter. They that thick and heavy, like. Again, 2 wick. Scent notes is orange flower, honey, woods. Oh, I hope this is good. Oh, this is smelling this. But again, I'm getting that cardboard scent along with the candle scent. I got a feeling these are not gonna throw. These are so light. You smell it good on this cardboard, but smelling the actual candle, so light. And what I smell on the cardboard, I actually like both of them, but smelling the wax, super, super light. It is sea salt and sandalwood. If it weren't for that sandalwood, I would have passed on this one. I would have passed on this one. Let's see what the scent notes is. Orange, amber, cedarwood. Orange, amber, and cedarwood is the scent notes on this one. Let me smell it. Again, I'm gonna smell the cardboard. This one is nice, smelling from this little cover thing. See, that's why I don't like to smell these candles, because again, it's super light, but I can smell it on the cardboard. I hope these do good. Again, I will put these on the warmer. I'm not even gonna try to light the wicks. Even though it is a 2 wick candle, y'all know I don't be playing with these unless I actually really like the candle. Like the copper coconut sand candle, y'all know I got that in a single wick, and I have been actually burning the wicks because I really like the scent. I want to actually experience the candle lit, so that's the reason why I have been burning it, and I have been burning 2 at a time. Love, love, love that candle. These so far all of them is good, but these they kind of weak on cold. And again, the jars isn't all the way filled, as you do see that they are not all the way filled. This one is violet and vanilla musk. Y'all know I really don't care for violet scent, but I went on and I grabbed this one. The scent notes is jasmine, violet, and vanilla. This smell like Tide. If you like scents like that fresh Tide / floral scents, you'll like this one. Now this one, I can smell it smelling from the wax. Yeah, so this one might be the strongest out of all of them. I could say I like all of these candles. If I had to pick out of each collection, I can't even pick between these two because both of these smell so good. Both of these smell super good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are good. But if I had to pick out of the last, this might be the best one. Yeah, this one might be the best one out of all of these. All of them, don't get me wrong, all of them smell good, and this is a violet that I kind of like. And it could be because of the mix with the vanilla and the jasmine, and that could be the reason why, because I do like white floral scents, and that could be the reason why the violet mixed with the jasmine. But this is my pick, and I can't even pick with these. I don't know. So let me know in the comments, is this a skip week for you, or are you gonna buy something? Let me know what is your favorite candle out of all of the releases this week, and I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.